Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 not launching. If you want to fix it, all you have to do first click here and then go to Windows Update Settings and then check for updates, and now just make sure to install all the updates that you will find and then go back, and now go to type here enable Xbox Game Bar. And now just turn off Xbox Game Bar and then go back, and now go to GeForce Experience, check for updates and make sure to download and install the latest update for your graphics card. After that, restart your PC, and after restarting your PC, just make sure to clear your memory, all the background applications that you don't need, close it, and your problem must be fixed, and see you in the next video.